Atchison County in northwestern Missouri, Polk County in northwestern Missouri, Nottoway County in northwestern Missouri, Andrew County in northwestern Missouri, DeKalb County in northwestern Missouri, until 2:45 a.m. At 2:06 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Shenandoah to near Skidmore to near Nortonville, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include St. Joseph, Maryville, Savannah, Albany, Tarkio, Wauthena, Elwood, Stanbury, Mound City, Maysville, Highland, Troy, Country Club Villa, Country Club, King City, Grand City, Oregon, Stewartsville, Fairfax, and Burlington Junction. This includes the following highways: Interstate 29 between mile markers 44 and 93. Interstate 229 between mile markers 2 and 14. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 02:40.
Well, it's right here, folks. Kind of figured it was gonna kind of intensify, but it did. That's that.
What the fridge? Will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Clay Center. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 05:15 p.m. for the following county: Clay, Nebraska.
Dramatic development is likely. For your safety, the best course of action is to quickly...
What? Shoot.
Washington.